Hi guys, IRPINO here. We're back in February to introduce yet another local business here in the Uptown and Buena Park area. We're excited this month to feature a business that has been here for some time, and ever since coming to our neighborhood, they've brought not only a little Latin flair, they brought flair from the city where they came from, which is Mexico City. Can't wait to introduce you to the owner. He's passionate about what he does, and he's passionate about everybody that comes in to see him. He's a great guy, so let's go meet Hugo at La Ciudad. Hi guys, IRPINO here. We're here with Hugo of La Ciudad. First of all, thanks for being here.
My pleasure. Thanks for being here.
Featuring our February business for Uptown Buena Park, local business spotlight. So Hugo, can you tell us a little bit about your restaurant?
Of course. I opened this restaurant in 2009. The idea of the restaurant, it was about mixing flavors between street food and a five-star restaurant for Mexico City, because the city of Mexico is so very cosmopolitan.
I'm curious. I've been here a lot, but I don't know. What is your favorite menu item to prepare?
The carne asada. That's
Carne asada?
Definitely my favorite.
Why?
The flavor, the taste, and just the presentation. I love it.
What is your favorite thing about being in this neighborhood?
I like the different cultures that are mixed in the Uptown area.
Oh yeah.
That makes it very interesting and rich.
And from what I understand is that every year for a few years now, you've been hosting a dinner on Christmas Eve for the community.
You know, I look one of the homeless walking in the street and I say, you know, these people need to be acknowledged and recognized, and we got to do something in our end for these people to feel special, at least one day of the year. So we decided to open the restaurant from 11 o'clock in the morning through 3 o'clock to make them dinner and to blend the homeless people with the community. Everybody brings gifts, and then they come and help and participate as well. So that makes fantastic.
What would be your go-to in the neighborhood? Something your favorite thing to do with you and your family that you could share with everyone?
Go walk around the lake.
The lakefront?
Yes. And the restaurant that is, the name of the restaurant is The Dog. It's a great place.
That's a neat place.
I know, it's amazing.
Good burgers, right?
Amazing.
Interesting question for you.
Yes.
If you had one superpower, what would it be?
I would like to build schools and hospitals to be able to help people.
Gee, I feel like a jerk. I chose to fly. Really, that's very noble. Lastly, can you share with us, when is your restaurant open? What are your hours?
Absolutely. We open Monday through Thursday from 11 o'clock to 10 o'clock at night. And then Friday and Saturday from 11 in the morning to 11 at night. And then Sunday as well, 11 to 10 o'clock.
Guys, thank you so much for joining us for yet another local business spotlight here in the Buena Park, Uptown area. Thank you for joining us. We're really excited. We wish you all the best.
Thank you.
Thank you. And guys, please check out IRPINO Real Estate and follow us on Facebook and Instagram. And thank you to our partner, Quality Home Images, for helping out with all of our video shoots. So guys, keep an eye on us. We've got more content coming your way. Make it a great day, and we'll see you soon. Take care. And sombreros kind of going like this.
I like this. Anything.